A lick of cane, or what sweet you going to sour you? Naughty boy, go to the headmaster's office now for the cane. Naughty must mean bad, but the thing what him did do never looked like something that cane come into. Him come back a rub him bottom. I must see lick him get lick. At that time I find out that cane in England I one bend up walking stick. Outside children, the king and queen lying in state, or imagine a king and queen lying in state. Queenie, darling, sweetheart, tell me the truth. Is how much African pickaninny you have? Kingy, but my dear, what kind of question that? It's only the 4 children me have with you, my beloved. No man, tell me the truth. Me hear say you have enough coloured picnic. No, ma'am, none of my picnic them coloured. Oh, so you change them name. Me hear say you have enough picnic them when name West Indian. No, ma'am, me no have no picnic when name West Indian. Oh, so you change them name. Me hear say you have enough picnic when name Caribbean. No, darling, me no have no picnic when name Caribbean. But sir, a lie you tell. You must change them name. No, ma'am, I them change for them name. I catch you, enough black picnic you have. No, ma'am, me no have no black picnic. What you mean? Them change them name again? Me no know. Me hear say picnic about when name BME, black and minority ethnic. But none of them are for me. Alright, go on you lied. What about them pick me here say you have when name black, Haitian and minority ethnic? No ma'am, me never father no pick me when name so. So you change them name again. Me here said you have them and them call them BM. What you mean about BM? What kind of name that? How am I picking them surname Windrush? You see you? Me know so me can't trust you. Me did think all of you pick them surname Windsor. Come out of my bed. Come out of my yard. Go on about your business. And no bother come back tell me about no buy pack picnic. Me no want no pockmark picnic round me, whether them buy or not.